Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about Telangana state. In Telangana state, if you wanted to do your PG, your MDMS course from Telangana government seat, then what should be the minimum marks required to get a respective branch in Telangana through state quota counseling. Now if you wanted to check the all India quota counseling about the required marks, the minimum marks which is required to get a particular seat, particular respective branch seat, then for all India quota the video is already been uploaded. You can check with the previous video uploaded on the channel, or otherwise you can just check with the description box, the link are given. If the viewers belongs to some other states, then almost all the states are covered and videos are uploaded. Just check with the description box, you will get your respective state videos in the description box, right? So let's start the video. First thing first, like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana has also some seats reserved for general female candidates. So we are going to check about marks and last year cutoff also we will see. So about these things separately for male candidates and for female candidates. Let's start the video. First of all, ENT branch. For ENT branch, last year in 2020, the closing rank was for general male candidate. The closing rank was 18,736 all India rank. Now this closing rank means that in last year, the last seat of ENT for general male candidate was allotted to the candidate whose rank was 18,736. So after this rank, 18,736, after this rank, there were no seats vacant. There were no ENT government seats vacant for general male candidates, right? So according to this time in 2021, now the pattern has been changed. The exam is going to be conducted out of 800 marks. So out of 800 marks, a student should be scoring between 506 marks to 511 marks or more than that if he or she wanted to take ENT government seat through state quota in Telangana, right? Similarly, for general female candidate, last year in 2020, the closing rank was 18,354. This time when the pattern has been changed, so out of 800, girl candidate should score minimum of 507 to 512 marks or more than that. If you score more than the marks which I have mentioned or I am mentioning, then you will be on a better position, you will be on a stronger position. So that this is it for ENT. Let's start for the anesthesia now. In 2020, the closing rank for the general male candidate was 22,082 all India rank. So this time out of 800, male candidate should be scoring between 497 to 502 or more than that if he wanted to take anesthesia in Telangana government seat through state quota counseling. Similarly, for female candidate, the anesthesia closing rank cutoff was 22,953. This time the minimum mark should be 494 to 499. So you have to score more than that to be on the safer side if you are female candidate. For ophthalmology, the last year for general male candidate, 13,867 was the closing rank for general male candidate for ophthal. This time, out of 800, male candidate should be scoring minimum of 524 to 529 or more than that to get ophthal. Similarly, for female candidate, last year in 2020, the closing rank cutoff was 13,111. This time, out of 800, female candidates should be scoring minimum of 526 to 531 or more than that to get ophthalmology government seat in Telangana. Similarly, for TB and chest, last year in 2020, for male candidate, 5,735 was the closing rank. Whereas this time out of 800, male candidates should be scoring minimum of 561 to 566 or more than that if you wanted to take TB and chest government seat in Telangana. Similarly, for female candidate, 4,874 was the closing rank last year in 2020. In 2021, you should be scoring minimum of 558 to 563 or more than that. For secretary, in 2020, 18,488 was the closing rank for general male candidate. In 2021, you should be scoring minimum of 507 to 512 or more than that and to get secretary government seat. Similarly, for female, 14,295 was the closing rank for female in 2020. In 21, you should be scoring minimum of 522 to 527 or more than that, right? For general surgery, 8,799 was the closing rank for general male candidate in 2020. In 2021, you should be scoring 543 to 548 or more than that out of 800. For general female candidate, general surgery, 8,778 was the closing rank last year in 2020. This time you should be scoring, if you are a female candidate, then you should be scoring between 543 to 548 or more than that if you wanted to take general surgery government seat through state quota in Telangana. Orthopedics, 10,894 was the closing rank cutoff for general male candidate. This time male candidate should be scoring between 529 to 534 or more than that to get orthopedics. Similarly, 18,198 was the closing rank cutoff for female candidate in 2020. This time between 508 and 513 or more than that should female candidates should score between 508 to 513 or more than that to take orthopedic seat in Telangana through state quota. OBGY, 4,966 was the closing rank in 2020. This time male candidates should be scoring 559 to 564 or more than that to get OBGY in Telangana. Similarly, for female candidate, general female candidate, 5,899 was the closing rank in 2020. You should be scoring for all the female candidate who wanted to take OBGY in Telangana government seat, should be scoring minimum 562 to 567 or more than that to get OBGY. Similarly, for pediatrics, 4,099 was the closing rank cutoff for male candidates in 2020. In 2021, out of 800, you should be scoring 569 to 574 or more than that. For female candidate, 3,379 was the closing rank in 2020 for pediatrics. In 2021, out of 800, you should be scoring minimum 575 to 580 or more than that for getting pediatrics. For general medicine, 2012 was the closing rank cutoff for general male candidate in 2020. In 2021, out of 800, you should be scoring minimum 588 to 593 or more than that if you wanted to take general medicine. For female candidate, 3,349 was the closing rank in 2020. But in 2021, if you wanted to take general medicine and you come under female candidate, then you should be scoring minimum 575 to 580 or more than that. For radiology, 2,167 was the closing rank in 2020 for male candidate. In 2021, if you wanted to take radiology, you should be scoring minimum of 587 to 592 or more than that. For female candidate, only one seat was there in Osmania for the radiology. So in last year, in 2020, 880 all India rank was the closing rank cutoff for general female candidate for radiology. This time you should be scoring minimum 614 to 619, and since there are only one seat for female general candidate, so the much you will score, the more you will be on a safer side, right? For dermatology, in 2020, 2,415 was the closing rank for general male candidate. In 2021, you should be scoring a minimum of 585 to 590 or more than that if you wanted to take dermatology in Telangana through state quota. Similarly, for female candidate, 4,544 was the closing rank in 2020. In 2021, out of 800, you should be scoring minimum 570 to 575 or more than that. Now, whatever marks I have mentioned in the video, you should not target this marks. You should target 50 marks more than the marks which I have mentioned over there, so that if something happens, then minimum this marks you should score, right? So this is all about Telangana state. As I told you, if the viewers belongs to some other states like Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, so all these states we have covered, we have uploaded the video. If you wanted to check the video, just go into the description box, links are given over there. You can just click the link and check the video that according to this year, according to 2021, what should be the minimum marks that you have to score to get a particular branch in your state through state quota counseling. So that's all for today. If you have any doubts, if you have any query, just give call to the number given on the screen, or else you can just put your comment in the comment box, just put your message in the comment box. And one more thing, in description box Telegram group link is given. If you join over there, you can just chat with me, you can just ask other queries also. Whenever I'll be online on Telegram group, I'll answer your queries. Thank you so much. Please share, subscribe, like the channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much.